Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials immediately. Check modem and router lights, then power cycle each device by unplugging for 30 seconds and restoring power. Once done, plug a laptop directly into the modem using Ethernet to remove Wi-Fi variables. Next, release and renew the IP address on your device, Windows, ipconfig/release and /renew, Mac OS, network preferences or terminal commands, and try pinging 88888. If you get replies, the problem is likely Wi-Fi or configuration rather than the ISP. Now move into detailed diagnosis. Contact the ISP with your account and modem MAC if outages are suspected. This rules out carrier-side blocks. Meanwhile, log into the router to check DNS, gateway address, firewall rules, and whether firmware is current. Misconfigured DNS or a strict firewall often looks like blocked access. Change DNS to 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8 to test name resolution, and document settings before doing a factory reset. If needed, reconfigure stepwise to isolate which setting caused the block. Finish by confirming whether the block is local or upstream. Connect via a phone hotspot or neighbor network. If that works, the issue is within your equipment or local policies. Rebuild the problematic device's network profile, reinstall network drivers, or reset TCP/IP stacks, and reapply your saved router settings carefully. If problems persist, collect logs, take photos of status lights and error messages, and contact the ISP with timestamps. Troubleshooting tip: always test with a wired connection first and capture evidence before making major changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.